Disclaimer.
You know what? I'm not even scared. We've been winning. You good? Yeah, bro. We've been winning so many games in this season, bro. I'm not even scared no more, bro. Like wins after wins after win, back to back. But we got this, bro. We got this tournament, bro. We got this tournament in the bag. Yeah, 5 rounds. You ready? Oh, is that tournament? Oh shit. Oh no. We got it. I'm just playing. It ain't really like 5 rounds. It's only 3 rounds, I think. Yeah, it's 3 rounds. Well, shoot, I'm still confident though. We can win 3 games. I mean, 3 rounds. We won 3 games. We can win 3 rounds. Hey, I'm confident to do that. I believe I got some good practice to win this shirt. Let's see about that. Let's challenge some affordance. I'm the guy that's not gonna think they would. You me. Oh, God bless! Come on, man! There it is.
But I'ma have him crying like that. But I'ma have him crying like that. But I'ma have him crying like that. But I'ma have him crying like that.
Y'all trying to jump me? That's what we doing. What? Oh, man. Come on, y'all. Let's do that. You know what? Y'all got it. There we go. 3rd round, boy. All right, player 2. Keep in that confidence, boy. Cause we got 4 more rounds to do. Girl, no, we don't. We got 2 more rounds to do. We just doing 3 rounds. Oh, right. All right, next. Let's do this. Hey, devil. Now we get out of here, boy. W clutch up though. Round 3. I ain't gonna lie, bro. We carrying. No, we not. Well, is we? No, we not, bro. All right, let's go to the next round. Yeah. All right, bet. Let's do this. Come on, girl, bring it on. Go ahead, get out the game. What the hell? Oh! Oh my God!
Don't total walk with him.
what I tell y'all, bro. Just keep your confidence, bro. Then we got this, bro. Oh man, I had to clutch this up, bro. Jesus Christ, why the was that King Von skin was playing like he was actually pro? What the shit?
I think that I ain't gon' feel it.